Today we're doing tricks for cash. And this is just some of the cash that I'm trying to take from my wife. She wants something cool, so she threw out this money. So first, put it down there, because I'm gonna have to work for it. All right, got a hat full of tricks for her to pull out. The goal is how many I can land and get paid for in 30 minutes. See what happens. First draw, pick wisely.
270 tap to pedal to 270. Did I read that right?
Yep. 270 tap to pedal to 270. Is that worth $1?
Yes. Is it worth more?
No.
No.
Oh.
That should be worth less. All right, earn that dollar. You got 30 minutes.
First try.
That's $1.
It's $1. Pay me my money. Thank you very much.
Vader foot jam.
Trick 2, also first try.
For $1?
Here, kid. Grab it. Grab it. There we go. All right.
Yeah, I'll take that, even though you're gonna get it back.
Look at that big one. Tail whip tap.
Tail whip tap. How much money is that one worth?
Not even $1. 25 cents.
Tail tap, trick 3, first try. Yes, Jared?
Yeah, first try. Prove it. Got greedy, didn't you? Second try. It's 2.
Take it.
$1.
Where's my money? Got it all the way in your mouth.
Oh, man.
Hey, let's clean it.
Those have been too easy. I need a hard one.
360 to fakie.
360 to fake. That's $1.
Alright. Is it weird that I wasn't worried about a whip tap and I'm worried about a 3 fakie? Alright, right here, here's the first try.
Yeah, it was first try.
Once again, moolah, please. Once again, I'll take that, sir. I know it's hard to let go.
$5.40 tail tap.
540 tail tap.
Hey, we're staying with the first try.
First try. Second try. First try. Opposite. Good luck of money.
I worked for this. See you later, dude.
All right. Switch something foot jam.
Switcheroo.
Oh, switcheroo.
First try.
Switcheroo, first try. It's for everybody. I don't know if this is a real name. This is what I call it. It is a foot jam over to can jam. Here.
Okay.
It's been a minute.
You hit it here first.
First try?
Yeah.
Not confident. I said it once, I'll say it again. Pay me my money.
Pay that man his money.
not in the mouth.
Yeah.
Getting down to it. It's only gonna be tough ones now.
Oh. 360 disaster.
Oh, that's first try. That's first try.
What is it?
360 disaster.
360 disaster. Holy shit.
Not first try.
Try number 2 is where it's at. I needed more content. I need a stretch.
Try number 3 coming up. Is this gonna be the trick that ends you?
It might be.
This ends your payday?
No, payday's not over. I see a big bill over there.
Big bills.
That's what I'm going for. Oh shoot. I worked for that one, so give me my money, please.
I've never seen you do that. You want to do it, Elijah?
No, it took you 3 tries.
Here. You did the last one.
Hi, bud. Hi, bud. I need this. I need this. Nothing like a crisp. That's a Benji, right? Oh, that's a wasp.
New trick.
Vader, no hand or foot jam. Foot jam.
Vader, no hand, foot jam.
Could I have you repeat that, please?
If you do it first try, well, I'll bet you $1. If you do it first try, I double up your money, you get an extra $1. If you don't do it first try, I get your $1 when you do pull it.
Deal.
Deal. Yay for me! Almost had it. Oh, almost had it. Dang. Dang. You're more of a second try kind of guy anyway. That's my dog right there.
Thank you, buddy. Nice doing business with you.
A $1 bill and a $50 bill. Are you excited? The anticipation's killing me.
Disaster 180 in.
Are you gonna throw a bar spin in there, Lee? No, just a disaster 180 in.
How about,
I mean, that's
what if I do press up to disaster to 188?
I don't know what press up means.
Like,
Okay.
does that work? Or you want
Yeah. I just don't know who wrote these tricks, because bottom of the barrel for you.
$1?
True. Go ahead, true. Hey, that's $1.
Hey. How's the first try, right?
No.
Like 12.
3, 4, 5th. I give it a 5.
This is the last dollar.
That's the last $1.
We're off to a
I guess
grand.
the next one better be a good trick, huh?
270 to whip tap to pedal to 270.
Oh, you got that?
Yeah. I'm gonna take the money right now. Let's go do it.
Yeah.
Fake it till you make it, everybody. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. I'm a few dollars richer. I gotta pay my cameraman, so hold on. You can have that. Actually, that was one too many. He's only worth $1. So I made like 50 something dollars. I'm rambling. Ride bikes, have fun. Peace out, everybody.